Hi, I'm 小鱼老师 Teacher 小鱼 Do you know how to speak this sentence in Chinese? 做，我做了饼干。我做了饼干。我做了饼干。我做了饼干。我做了饼干。我做了饼干。做。Do you know home baking was very rare in China traditionally? My first time making cookies was after I moved to the US. Nowadays, with the Western influence, a lot of people start to bake at home. However, Chinese often find the American cookies are too sweet. Therefore, their recipes are often modified to fit their taste. Okay, that's all for today. This is a Little Fish Chinese. If you like my videos, please consider to subscribe, like, and share. 谢谢，再见。